Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix NVIDIA FPS drop and stuttering problem in Windows. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to update the NVIDIA graphics driver. For that, you need to enter into the NVIDIA application and then driver. Over there at the top right corner, you may see download. So download and install it, or else you need to refresh first and then download it for updated version. So guys, our second step is to check GPU usage. For that, you need to enter into your task manager and then enter into your performance. So over here you may see the GPU usage, and if in case it's the usage is high, please do disable the background running application, which is not need at the moment. So the third step is to close unnecessary background application. For that, you need to enter into your task manager and please do untask your unnecessary application which is running on the background. So the fourth step is to install Windows. For that, you need to enter into your settings. Over there, you need to enter into the Windows update and please click check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So the fifth step is to run system file checker. For that, you need to open command prompt as run as administrator mode. Once you open the command prompt, you need to copy the prompt in the description. Please paste it over there, and you need to wait until it need to be load from 0 to 100, approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's done, please copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over there. So the same, you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. You need to be load from 0 to 100. So once it's done, please do check the status. If in case it shows unsuccessful, you need to redo the step again. So the sixth step is to change NVIDIA power management mode. So for that, you need to enter into the NVIDIA control panel and click manage 3D, or that please scroll down. You may see the power management mode. So now it's in normal condition. Please click prefer minimum preference. Yeah, sorry, performance. Once it done, please save it. Yeah. So our seventh step is to enable game mode. For that, you need to enter into settings. Over there, you need to enter into the gaming and then click game mode to optimize your PC, and please do enable it. So the eighth step, our last step, is to restart your PC. So I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.